welcome back to another video from Saddlehead Media. Today, we're going to be reacting to episode 7 of Chainsaw Man. We left off... I actually forgot where we left off.
First of all, you got food on your face. We left off with Denji being the smart one and facing that demon.
And going inside with the chainsaws.
Yeah.
I will figure out what the demon was. It was the infinity?
No,
Eternal
demon. And it invokes fear in people, and it feeds off fear.
I mean, I'm pretty sure that's all demons. But yeah, I'm sure Denji will save the day again. I mean, he is the main character after all.
Plus, he might get his kiss.
Yeah. Plus, I wanted to see what Sasuke's sword technique would be, but I guess we'll have to. It shortens his life. I don't think it kills you instantly, but
yeah.
All right, you guys ready?
Yes, let's get into it.
Start the film.
Chainsaw.
I know you were still alive. That means this demon was feared before?
Oh, Pochita. Pochita was probably had an original user or something like that.
Or probably his parents or something. Man, this gun devil must be like the head boss then.
What you mean by that?
Guns kill a lot of people.
No, I mean like that, but everyone seems to be hunting the gun devil.
Yeah.
And we haven't heard of them trying to hunt anything else besides that.
It's like that. It's like, you know how they get paid for like hunting devils, right?
I mean, I get that, but everyone seems to want to kill the gun devil specifically.
Oh yeah, that is true though. Didn't it just be trapped?
Just snap his neck?
Yeah.
Oh. You're not gonna kill a gun, that's the stomach. He said that like 2 times already.
Dang, you must be fighting it for days. Yo,
that is long.
They giving up?
Why that look like nutsack?
That is.
It didn't look like no heart.
Give him the French kiss. The French kiss. He's 3 things. A human, a demon, and a dog.
一番謎なのがあのマキマさんがデンジ君を気にかけてること。デンジ君の秘密を知ってるからなのか。
Oh my goodness, he's gonna be so OP. Maybe he'll be like a demon that can cut through anything, like time, eternity, all sorts of devils.
Could be like God's sword.
Yeah, probably something like that.
Yeah.
To be fair, she still owes Denji the French kiss.
新人歓迎会なんだから新人は立って自己紹介。名前と年齢と契約してる悪魔言え。
俺デンジ。年は確か。趣味は
I think I'm 16.
寝るの。
I think I'm 9.
あんた酒飲んでないよね。
お茶。
狐の悪魔は人間に友好的だからたくさんのデビルハンターと契約してる。
狐の頭はイケメン
So
し
it's
か
like
使え
a
ないんだよ。
third party
あ
kind
の
of
悪魔
demon.
面食いだから。映画じゃ小紅です。20歳です。契約してる悪魔は秘密で。
Get out of here.
You flap your wing like a bird. Like when they're getting picked up.
俺今日ファーストキスしちゃうんだ。
キス？すいません。生一つお願いします。デンジ君、誰かとキスするの？
しません。
デンジ君キスしないの？
しまーす
My goodness.
Sounds like you said
ママもう
smosh.
一つ。
マキマさんはデンジのこと何か知ってるんじゃないですか？
Mm-mm. You're asking all the important questions.
私より飲んだら教えてあげる。
Ah,
Oh,
yeah, you ain't gonna know.
すいません。生2つ。
おや。
見られちゃった。マキマさんに見られた。でもなんだこの感触がしたじゃない。
I'm out.
Oh,
Oh, what was that?
oh,
Oh, but,
Ew, she's still throwing up.
oh. It's demonetizing.
落ちた。
Oh.
食えそうだぞ。
bro, I got shivers.
Hey, bro. Oh my god.
落ちた。ネズミが酔っ払いのゲロに集まってら。ゲロ食うなんて信じられねえよな。
Says the one that just eaten. Oh, it's still going.
姫のそこには小さい人が足りないんだ。
Stop.
That was his first kiss.
Oh,
明かすやるの前だろ。
Man, I thought kisses were good.
してたんだよ。お前みたいにデビルハンターの才能はなか
Oh
った。
man, that just made me even colder.
羨ましいよ。
I still got shivers.
羨ましいよ。
It's like I can smell it.
ファーストキスはゲロの味だぜ。それは羨ましい。
You know, oh my gosh. Even the noise just makes me want to vomit too.
どこだここ。
That was the
Lisa.
weird part.
水。
This is why you don't kiss someone when they're drunk. Now what?
Is she drinking again?
Oh my. Don't. Oh my god, bro.
おりゃ。だんだんだんじか。
Then she
なんで
goes.
信じねえの？
I'm waiting for it to the eye patch off.
I think she lost it because of contract with the devil.
This is such a weird episode. I like just these tiny parts.
しちゃう。
You know?
And that's it.
That's episode 7.
That was probably one of the probably the first weirdest.
Definitely the most disgusting thing I've ever seen in an anime.
Yes,
I've never seen something so nasty. I've seen people get minced up, blended, but threw up in the mouth. That's one of the worst things I've ever seen.
I don't know if it's worse that it was pixelated, but
It's just the color and the sound.
You can
and him sloshing it around in his
His
mouth
mouth.
afterwards.
I looked away. I couldn't watch that part.
I wanted to go upstairs and just go to bed after seeing that.
Yeah,
that was nasty. That was
but all in all, a good episode.
it was a good episode.
Yeah.
I think that was my favorite besides the first one.
The first episode was pretty good.
Yeah.
I think my favorite is still gonna be the first one.
So,
Oh no, not the first one. What's that one with the leech steamer which was like that was my favorite part.
my favorite was probably the one with where you know the bad demon and the girlfriend. That was
That's
my
the same
favorite.
episode that it was talking about.
Oh.
And when somebody did kun, I love that
Yeah.
scene.
But the first one though, when he gets stabbed by the zombies
Oh,
and
yeah.
transformed.
Oh yeah, that
that was like
good.
super epic.
That
Yeah.
was,
This one was really good.
it was a good episode.
I wish
funny.
we saw more fight with that demon in the belly, but
Yeah. 3 days
to be
of
going,
fighting.
yeah, to be going at it 3 days. That's like Naruto, Dragon Ball
That's more, yeah, Dragon Ball.
length of fighting. Yeah, and it sounds like they're finally touching into the plot a little bit more with Denji. Yeah, what is up with that?
Yeah, she should know something about Denji because the demon knew the chainsaw. I think because his father, the story about his father dying, I think it's something with that.
Who's Denji's?
Denji's father died with all the debt, leaving all the debt on Denji, but we still don't know how he died.
Yeah,
I think that's why.
but it's more so about, I think, Pochita
Yeah,
and his chainsaw, because that's also weird. You see how Denji, when he was a kid, he has like pointy teeth already. That's also weird.
But when he's in chainsaw form, he has like extra spiky teeth.
Thank you, Si. Thank you. Very observant of you.
But yeah, that's.
I was
I
trying
want to see what it comes about. That I want to know what happened.
I wonder how old is Makima. Because she has to be
Older than everybody else.
for her to know these secret stuff about Denji.
She could be immortal.
That would be pretty cool. An immortal.
But
Yeah, we'll see. I don't even know what rated this anime is. Is this PG-13? Mature?
rated R.
Rated R?
Yeah, R for mature.
Oh, really? I had no idea.
Wait, R for
Yeah.
mature.
Well, R is mature.
Yeah,
And it's like Berserk.
yeah.
Like, I heard like it gets just as graphic and nasty as Berserk.
I like it. Yep, but
That's it for episode 7.
yep.
So stay tuned for episode 8.
Nope.
Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to.
Yeah. Oh, check out my prototype hoodie I'm working on. It's kind of like acid black. It's got like a black effect right there with the barbed wire around the neck.
Oh, Jordan, you
And
finally
back.
come up with a shirt that's actually black.
Very funny.
Well,
Ah!
that's it. Make sure to stay tuned for Solid Media. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Solid Media out. Peace.